Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to change currency on SHEIN for your PC. The first thing I want you to do is just go to the SHEIN website. I am on us.shein.com. If you are on eu.shein.com as well, you can do the same process. But once you are on the website and you're actually logged in, I want you to just scroll all the way here to the top so you can see the top navigation bar just like this. And once you see this top navigation bar, you'll see this icon right here at the top right. This is the world globe icon. I want you to hover over this and you get a drop down here. You can see currency. So you can click on this drop down and you can choose from any of these currencies, as you can see right here. So let's go ahead and choose euros for this example. And once you do that, the page will actually refresh. And if you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see everything is now in euros. So that's how you go about it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.